Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a card from Shein. So it's actually really easy and simple. The first things first guys, what you're going to be doing is you want to go to your settings, of course. Okay, so you want to go to your settings, click on your profile icon right here at the bottom right, which is me. Click on me, and right here, guys, what you're going to do is you don't want to click on gift card. What you actually want to click on is that, wheel icon up here for settings. And then you want to go to manage my account. Now, right here, guys, what you would have been seeing if you had added your card is you would have seen a list of your saved credit cards. And you simply would have, selected your saved credit card that you actually wish to remove, and then click on the delete option, and then guys, your credit card details will vanish. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. I'll see you guys in the next video.